Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to remove view only in Google Sheet application by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, open your Google Sheet application, and the next thing you have to do is just decide which documents that you want to remove the view only with. And here I already opened mine, and here's the documents that I would like to show to you. So after you find the documents, just go click these three small dots on the documents, and after that you just need to go into the manage access. In this manage access, you can see in the general access there will be anyone with the link here. You just need to go click it and check either what is the access that you give to these documents. Here you can see that I give and view access, so anyone who received this link can able to view the documents. But then I would like to go restricted or remove this view only. So how to do that? You just need to go click this anyone with the link and change from anyone with the link to restricted. And now you're done. Now you already removed the view only in the Google Sheet application. Now no one's gonna able to view these documents. So that's the way how to remove view only in Google. I would like appreciate everything that you do, like subscribe and comment into this channel if you find that this tutorial is get you so well.